our flyer. Dying children. Buyers. So we set candy up to slow them down. Okay. So that light bulb's not going on. But that's supposed to be the light thing. Okay. At a back door. Missing the child, but body bags. Hawkins National Lab. We've got Castle Buyers. Oh, look. It went off. Okay. The lab with the thing. And then there's a bro.
Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle.
Child.
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, the glowing looks good.
Yeah, that does look good. We should do more of that.
Okay.
Popping balloons.
Okay. Scarecrow field. Yeah. Spooky tree that we forgot to plug in. More scarecrows. So that's supposed to be the hole that the demo. Or wait,
Child number 4.
that's child number 4.
Rabbit!
That's there because it's cool.
Give it the beans! What's he doing?
Give it the
Rabbit!
beans.
Vroom! Vroom, vroom!
Okay.
Okay.
That took forever. So this hole was supposed to be where Hopper went in,
Yeah.
right?
It doesn't really look like that though.
Well, I think the lights from the car are kind of jacking that up, but nah. We have a circle of firewood
my
now.
phone's about to die, so like...
I have a charger thing I'll get you. Okay. And then over here is supposed to be like the upside down, but we can't get it to spin. I mean, it's not like super bad. And then child number 3. Oh, here's our other bowl of candy to slow him down. Child number 3. Say hi, child number 3.
Hi!
He's nice and toasty in his car.
Go out there, go out there. I'm sitting here.
Oh, and then we just go right through to the street.